Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Maria with Momming on the Budget, and I'm headed to the Dollar Tree to check out some of their makeup and beauty products, and I want to bring you guys along. I bought an eyeliner from there and it works perfectly fine, and normally my eyeliners run like $7, whether it's the liquid one or the pencil that you like roll up. So I want to see what else they have, and maybe down the line I will do a haul and review for you guys. So let's go. So I discovered these cute little eyeshadow palettes by LA Colors. This one had more of like the purples. It was honey lavender, and the one that I really liked was this caramel chocolate. It had like the nude colors. Those are the colors I usually go for, and I probably will be going back for this one and maybe share it in the haul and try it out for you guys. And there was another one. It was strawberry peach. It was more of like the pinks and the soft like yellows and things like that. I thought these colors were really great. And then I was looking at the tips from LA Colors. They were really cute. I have nails on, but for something quick and easy, you know, when you don't have the time or the money to spend on getting your nails done, these were really, really cute. If I had to decide, I would definitely go for these tropical nails. They were really pretty. These were okay. And then I came across a name brand product, L'Oreal. It was like a metallic lip gloss. I would not hesitate to try that for only $1. The color looked really pretty. And then this gray over it, I wasn't sure what it was. It was Color Sensational Lipstick Bold High Pigment Lip Color. Yeah, like I couldn't see what it looked like, but you know, for the brand, hey, it's worth a try. And then I came across this liquid eyeliner, which is my go-to anytime I get an eyeliner. I love liquid because it stays longer and doesn't like smudge as much. So that I may be going back for. And then I do purchase Wet n Wild products because they are in my price range. So this mascara is definitely something I'm going to try. I love my eyelashes. So if it could give me that look that I love, I will definitely be stocking up on that. And then they had some Maybelline lip color paint, which was a really, really like pretty color, very natural pinkish color. And then hopefully I'm pronouncing this correctly, Ioni. These eyelashes are so bold and long, and they definitely make a statement. I'm actually gonna buy some eyelashes just to try and see how they look, so I could show you guys what Dollar Tree eyelashes look like. And then elf products, I do also purchase elf products. They have these lovely lipsticks, which is a great deal. And then they had like lip liner, eyeliner, which is an awesome deal. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring your notification bell so you know when I upload. I will be doing a makeup haul, so you don't want to miss that. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.